Got a slow iPhone? Clearing cache can speed things up. Here's how in 1 minute. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Safari to clear browsing cache, or choose specific apps to reset data. For Safari, tap Clear History and Website Data and confirm when prompted. For apps, open General, go to iPhone Storage, then select an app to offload or delete. Offloading keeps documents and data. Deleting removes app data. Choose based on your needs. Before, watch a slow web page load. After clearing cache, the same page loads instantly. For photos, thumbnails, or app refreshes, try force closing the app and reopening it. If an app still stores heavy cache, reinstalling the app clears cache data. Remember to sign in again. Restart your iPhone after clearing caches to free temporary files and finalize cleanup. That's it, your iPhone should feel faster. Closed captions available. Subscribe for more tips.